Hello and welcome back to Project Zomboid. Today, I'll be playing Project Zomboid, but 10 years later. So, as you know, I am slowly running out of ideas. So, you might not have known, but I did try 10 years later, maybe half a year ago, and it didn't go well. Let's just say that. Now, right now, I don't know what my plan is. Since I'm in the middle of nowhere, well, I'm in Riverside, but it's literally Riverside now. Legit, like, it's Riverside. I needed to get that. Alright, can I swim? Do I have that mod on? No, I need to turn that mod on. Okay. So, I don't know what my plan is. What I do know is the hardware store is on that side, and I'm on this side. So I need to somehow make it over. Also, another thing I know, all of the loot is extremely rare. Like, everything except weaponry, which is, just very rare. Everything else is extremely rare. And I can't survive without food, so that is an issue. One good thing about this is because there's less road, it means there's less space for the zombies to spawn. Do any of you guys have a watch? Please. Yes, haha. Alright, any good clothing that I would possibly want. The clothing store is quite full for what I have the settings to. What? There's bushes? You can search bushes? Since when? Yeah, as I was saying, the clothing store is quite full for what I put the loot at, but who cares? It's very... oh, there's a bridge! Ooh. Okay, well, I can't... Oh, I could probably forage. Whoa. Wait, there's just a hole in the wall. Okay. I'm looking for scissors. A weapon of some sorts, okay? Oh, there's nothing. You're kidding me. Wait, maybe I turned the rarity too low. That'd be my fault, but I'd need to deal with it. Whoa, I just... Okay, well. Don't want to do that again. There's a bunch of holes in these walls. Interesting. Of course it's blocked. But there's a hole in the wall right here, so I'm in. Alright, is there carpentry books? Carpentry books, carpentry books, carpentry. DIY or carpentry. I did see that one DIY book. I will grab it. Alright, disassemble. Okay. We want to try... Oh, that's going to take forever. I'll just do that when it's not recording. Ooh, yes, axes. Alright. We want to try and make our own weapons because, well, it's 10 years later. You're not really going to find a lot of weapons. The first thing we need is an axe. I can tell you that right now. We need an axe. Wait, that taught me how to do the workbench. We also need a few sheets and a sheep rope. Now, I can get some sheets pretty easily by just killing zombies. Well, sheep ropes, but I don't know about the sheets. Come on, fall over, please. You have a butter knife. Nope. Haha. Alright. Before we do go, I'm gonna quickly craft 2 sheet ropes. Perfect. Then... Whoa, this is so cool. You're kidding me. That's my... Okay, that's my foot. Dude, this is sick. Anyways. Oh, that's an issue. Bruh. I just realized I'm gonna need to be going through trees and shit. Yeah, I know the zombie's coming. I'm just gonna try and get the bandage on. Alright. Oh, I'm not going up that. Not yet, at least. Yeah, when I walk through trees and stuff, it has a chance of ruining my clothing. Damn, I forgot about that. Yeah, so it looks like there was a civilization here, but it, like, died. I don't know. I want to loot the pharmacy because, yeah, food and stuff. That's, yeah, there we go. That's what I was looking for. Food, painkillers, all the goods. Now, food will be very scarce. Same with medical equipment and all that other stuff. So, grabbing a lot of it would be advised. Oh, the 10 years later mod with this would be sick. I'm not even gonna lie. Alright, eat all the fresh food. Alright, and I think that's gonna be like everything I'm getting from here, really. So let's go across. I don't really know what to do. This is so cool. It genuinely looks like a society died here. I need to install the boat mod, actually, because I don't have that on. I should probably install that. Right now it's 11:40 in-game time. Now, I wonder... Whoa. They built like a whole dock. That's sick. Dude, it would be so cool to clean this up. Oh, no. Crap. Well... I don't want to just run away from this, because if I run away from it, it will... I was stomping on you. It will just bite me in the butt later. Fall over, you stupid idiot. I'm gonna die. No. Please. Retreat. Use the fence. Fall over. No. Ah. This is suboptimal. There's so many zombies on that door. No, 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 no. Who are the bap? Okay, I'm running away. Panic has set in where I run away because I have several holes in my clothing and I don't want to die. Now, the back of the bookstore is honestly quite a nice place to rest and sit on the ground. No, sit on the ground. Quickly rest up. Wait a little bit. Alright, get up. I'm gonna be ripping so many holes in my clothing. I already need new pants. Fall over. Come on, please. I need that plank. There was a plank. You missed. No, that has a hole in it. Run away. What do I do? What do I do? Is there a back door? Yes. This is the... Okay. If you don't know what I'm talking about, also that car, I need to keep that in mind since that's going to be very nice in the future. Parking lot. So there used to be a parking lot back here. And it was where you would get a lot of cars that you would want. But now it's just like a forest, which is cool, but annoying at the same time. Does this truck... It's locked, okay. I really, honestly kind of hope this... You're kidding me, dude. Okay, what is that building? Wait, what? Wait, what is that? What? This is River... I don't think I've ever been to that building. Which is odd. I don't think I want to. The car's look in suspiciously good condition. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yes! Ho-ha. A worthy weapon. Well, helpful. At most. Why? Fall over. Please fall over and die. No. Stop. I don't have much space. Please, just fall over and perish. If I can get both of them... No. I was stomping on him. Please, this is pathetic. It's oddly scary trying to do this. 'Cause if you mess up, you're kind of boned. Okay, is the one still over there? No. Okay, I did it. Haha. I used my brain. Something the zombies clearly don't have. What? Is that zombie walking on water? Excuse me? Okay, it wasn't. It's just bugging out. There's a plank. There's a plank. There's a plank. Make the 2x4. Where is it? Yes! A makeshift weapon. Haha. It helps me push down zombies. That is all I'm gonna use it for until I have enough stamina. I'm not even gonna lie. No. Okay, good. You're fine. You know what? It's not good. But it works. Respectfully, it's all I have right now. That's a weapon. This is a convenience store. Wait, what? Is this the convenience store? No. It's not, right? Yeah, no, it's the next thing down, right? There's bridges also. In these buildings, there's bridges going across, which is interesting. No. Why? Fall over now, please. That's BS. You were on the ground. I was standing on you. Please. It's just 2 now. I need to get to that hardware store. Stop. Now it's back to 2. Okay, well, that's just annoying, isn't it? Fall over. Thank you. Now it's 1 with the leather jacket I want. And you are dead. Nice. Now we also have a battle clothing item, because ours is ripped. Alright. Let's see. There's... I don't know. Is it down there? Okay, I'm gonna rest out here. Quickly. Go. And then let's see if it is over here. If it's not, it was the complete opposite way I was going. Oh, this is where roads are. No. How? Perish. The fuck? There's a golden truck though. Oh wait, it is the it's not here. I'm thinking of this place. It would have been right there. Well, there's a golden truck, so maybe we can get that at least. Right now would be like our only thing if we got a golden fork from that. That would be lovely. But I don't know if we can. I only see 2, but I think there's more. Come on. There we go. I don't know why my character turned the other way to push the zombie. And I know if I go into that tree, I'll lose the zombie. So I'll just step on its ankles until it dies. There we go. Alrighty. Let's see. Nope. The tires are rotten. I have a screwdriver, so it's fine. The tires look nasty on this thing. Ugh. Yes! Okay. Well, that is, like, amazing for us. All the cars are locked. Every single one of them. Oh, yeah, also, we need to find a walking car if we even want to get anywhere to be... Okay. That is... Whew. There's nothing. But we did get a wrench. So that's good. I'm not going in that building. No thanks. No thank you. Not today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Not next year. Maybe next year. But not now. Oh, you're kidding me. That's my arm. Oh, why does it do this? Combat stance. If you combat stance through trees, you can't rip any of your stuff. One of my friends told me that. And now my clothing is ripped. Great, that's fun. Why do I have that out? I should have this out. There we go. I mean, it's not as bad. It's still pretty bad with the combat space. But, like, who knows? I could get used to it. If I can get them to break a gate or something. Okay, so those aren't bridges. Those are walls. I need that new denim short. Oh, they're both locked. You're kidding me. Hey, guess what? This is a window. I can get in. Haha. So this looks like the main town building, I'm guessing. Yes, I know there's a zombie behind me. It's going for the window. Nope, it's going for me now. Yeah, I need new... Stop, please. Yeah, the only real good combat spaces are inside, which is very interesting. Especially with how it'll play. Denim short, that is a hole in it. Denim short, okay, they both have holes in them. That's fun. What I'm wondering is, do any of them have a key? Yes. Alright. Let's look around for the back door. Since there was... there's a thing back there. My question is, how do you get back there? Oh, there's a security door. Stupid me. Security room. Security door. That's a cool hat. I'm gonna need to take that. I mean, so far this building is like the nicest, in my opinion, but I don't know. Where is the cowboy hat? There it is. Haha. Hey. It looks so big on my character. Come on, die. Alright, there we go. Let's check the security rooms for any... Okay, you might not think that this is not good loot, but to be honest, I didn't expect to find a shovel and some other stuff back there. I still need one sheet. Wait, is this like legit just an armory? No, okay. It's just like a little storage room. I do still need that one sheet, which I don't think I can just acquire. I need to find it, which does suck about it. I can eat some chips. I'm eating one half. I'm not even eating all of it. Yeah, so there's gonna be nothing up here, I'm guessing. Now, I'm assuming the residential buildings... Where are they? What's the closest building that could possibly have a sheet is all the way up there. Fun. Okay. Don't want to hold my right arm, because if I hold my right arm, I'll be dead. Yeah, but going in that bank, whew. I wish I would have done it later. So, looking up there. Would it still be there, though? Or... Ooh, wait, is that a no way. That's a survivor building. Alright, I'll be back in a sec. Oh, come on, you know you can. Aw, that's lame. Can you at least go to there? No? Okay. Well, I'll cut to you guys once I get there. After a boatload of fighting, we have made it here, but we are a bit tired. Also, our forced real weapon has broken, sadly. But maybe... Oh, it's a clothing store. You're kidding me. Dude, no. That sucks. You're joking me, right? No, you're not. You... Oh, my God. It was a... They don't even have sheets. Well, at least I can get to the residential building next episode, but still, really. Of all things, I mean, there's bags, but, like, it's not what I expected, let's say. There's nothing back here. Wow, that really sucks. Wow, okay. I mean, is there at least good clothing items in here, like a full shell shoot set? For the life of me, I cannot pronounce that. I literally could care less. It's not, is though. Oh, you're kidding me. You're kidding me. It's just rude, man. That is just rude. So there's really nothing in here except clothes. You're kidding me, right? No, they are not. Okay, that was a giant waste of time. Guess I'm sleeping in one of these, unless they all don't have chairs. They don't have chairs. Okay. There's not even a chair in this building. I'll need to sleep out there. Alrighty. But, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and, I guess I'll see you guys next time.